You look so scared. Don't worry, I will keep you safe until you can. Look at us! We made a new friend in the garden today, just sitting here in the sun.